Hey everyone, so right now we are going to be making some baked chicken with smothered potatoes. Right now we have our seasoned water and also a little bit of oil. We're going to go ahead and add in our vegetables, which we'll just have some onions and jalapenos. I've cut just a little corner of my onions and maybe 3 jalapenos because I'm not making too much chicken. And what we're going to do is go ahead and add in our chicken. I already have the oven preset to 350 so we can allow this to cook a little bit. So let's go ahead and bop in our chicken and bop everything into the oven. Alright, so we've added the chicken. I do normally get my chicken from a local butcher, which would be Hy-Vee. Right now I'm also spreading a little bit of zesty lemon seasoning. So we're gonna go ahead, you guys, and cover this up in foil and bop this into the oven. And we'll have this cook in the oven for about maybe an hour. So we'll check back in on it in an hour so we can flip it. Okay guys, so we just pulled out our chicken after we flipped it over. It's been cooking for about an hour on the other side. I did add some additional bottled water into it. As you can see here, I have also cut up some potatoes. I had these potatoes also baking in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and move our chicken in with our potatoes. But before we do, we are going to go ahead and add our cream of mushroom soup. Alright, so as you can tell, we are mixing in our can of cream of mushroom. I'm just going to mix this in. Alright, and what we're going to do now is pour this over our potatoes. Alright, so we went ahead and added our cream of mushroom chicken and water over our potatoes, and we're going to go ahead and bop in our chicken and allow this to bake on 350. Now I went ahead and turned up the temperature to 350, and we're going to go ahead and allow this to bake for about another hour and a half, and we'll just check on the status of it here in a moment. Alright, so chicken's in. We're bopping this back in the oven. Alright everyone, so we've taken out our chicken, and what we're doing now is we're adding in a package of chicken gravy, just one. And we're just going to go ahead and mix. We still have our potatoes cooking. We're going to go ahead and just mix this in, just so it can thicken up a little bit. And then what we're going to do, once we get everything mixed and thickened, as you can tell, it's coming together pretty good, especially with the mushrooms and the jalapenos. It smells delicious, you guys, delicious. We're going to go ahead and bop our chicken back into our pan and allow this to cook and simmer for about another 30 minutes. And then our dinner should be just about completed. So let's go ahead and bop our chicken back. Perfect. So we're just going to just send it in there. Let it get smothered a little bit. Perfect. And just pop this back into the oven. And we'll be back in a moment. Alright, so here is our final product. As you can see, I did cut our chicken breasts in half. So again, thank you so much for bopping in. And we'll have, the instructions with the ingredients plugged in on the video.